Hey guys, it's Sophia from Sophia's Craft Studio, and today I am just showing some of crafts I made. So, I haven't been making videos. If you saw my last week's video, you'll know what I'm talking about. But make sure you go subscribe. And I have a Musical.ly, so that Musical.ly will be in the description box below this video, right below. So let's get started. So then, first now I made this vending machine that actually works. Now let me turn it on. The buttons on the side. There are one button here. It's too dark. So you turn it on. What's it hard? Turn down some lights. Now, on the inside there is a vent. So open up the inside. Get this stuff. Now there's some more wires inside. Like, then more lights. And then we got the codes and the thing I want to show you with. So we have to insert our thing. It's just this. And we insert it right into the slot right here. Oh gosh. Sorry guys. It's hard to hold it. Okay, so inside the slot right here. In there. So close it. Okay. What about these envelopes? Now we take our 4 quarters. See right here, you put it inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then push the button and it should come out. So now just take it out. Got it. So that is one. Now the lights are just, so the way this works is just that. Let me get some coins. So, sorry guys. Okay, so it's just some wires. What's connected to light is this thing, which turns it on and off, which is pretty cool. I like it a lot. So I will be making some crafts with you guys, and the Musical.ly will be in the description box down below, like I just said some minutes ago. Now the next thing is a hockey play thing. Now you can see right here. So it's right here. So it's right here. Let's show you. See, do you play it? You see there's a thing, a hockey ball, a hockey disc, and another one. And so it goes right here, this one goes over here, and this one goes in the middle. And you just bounce it into these things here, which is on both sides. And you just push it until you get it inside. And then there's a thing over here where you grab it and put it back inside. So that's all for today's video. I will see you next time in my next video. Make sure you subscribe. If you're on a computer, you can click down below too. And if you're on a normal device, you can click outside. So, bye. Bad lighting. It's okay.